everybody, it's Bombshellni back with another bomb video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to restore your lace wigs, whether it's old or you had it on for a while and the glue's a little messed up. Any of that I'm going to show you today so you can be ready every day to go out looking flawless, baby. So I'm going to take you from this. That's bad. I'm going to take you from this old looking lace, terrible. You don't want to go out like this ever. Alright everybody, so we're just gonna get started by putting the wig in the sink. I wash mine in the sink because I think it's the best place to wash it. That's just me. So right now I'm just wetting it and I'm starting from frontal to the bottom. That's just how I detangle my wigs. But whatever floats your boat, that is absolutely fine. Thing to remember when doing this is that you want to have the water running on the spot that you're combing out because it makes it easier to get the tangles out. That's a secret bombshell and I just told you, so make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend that that's the way to do it, because we don't want no hair shedding, especially when we have a frontal, because frontals are very delicate and they can shed and lose hair very easily. So the water helps to prevent some of the shedding from happening. So that's just what I did. And now I'm going to go ahead and grab this Shea Moisture anti-breakage shampoo. You can use any shampoo you want. I use that one because honestly it was the first one I seen in the closet. The shampoo is not the major part of this video. We're going to get to that key special staple in a second. So right now I'm just going to wash it. And I'll be back once I'm done washing.
You have one unheard message.
This is the part that y'all have been waiting for. Bam! Yes, that Tresemme Flawless Curl is the best conditioner. Tell your mom, tell your cousin, your auntie, your grandma, even if she wearing lace fronts. The Tresemme Flawless Curl is a winner. You have to get that, but I ran out, so I use the Tresemme Repair and Protect. That's also a very, very good one. They do the same thing. They're made by the same company. It will have your hair feeling like butter. You know, like butter when you slide on that bread, it's so smooth. The hair will be like butter. Yeah, so lather that up on there. Be heavy-handed if you want. This conditioner is only about $3, so be heavy-handed with it. Use as much as you need, okay? Because we are trying to restore a wig hair, so use as much conditioner as you need, honey, okay? Because we want it to be feeling like buttermilk biscuits when we're done. Okay, so I'm just going to slap that all on there, rub it in, make sure I coat every single strand on that wig, especially the bottom, because that's the oldest part of the hair, just like normal, regular, natural hair. That's the oldest part, so make sure you slap it on there, detangle it, and then what I'm going to do is I let mine sit in a plastic bag for about 15 minutes. I let it sit in a plastic bag for about 15 minutes just because it gets it soft and so soaky. That's the key part. You can get a Walmart bag, Target bag, any local store that you shop at. Use one of those plastic bags. If you don't have that, you can simply use a Ziploc bag as long as the frontal wig fits in there, and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Go do something, get on Instagram, yada yada. That's what I did. And then come back when it's done, and I'm telling you, it's gonna be like a whole new wig. You'll thank me in a second. My gosh, so the way that this hair is just so soft and bouncy right now, like this brush is literally gliding through the hair like butter. I'm telling you, it is like butter right now. You can just, I mean, it's there. You can see it yourself. Look at the evidence. Look at the evidence. It's there. The frontal is back, it's restored, it's almost popping. Not yet, because it ain't on my head. But I'm telling you, this stuff is amazing. This stuff is like crack. I'm serious. Well, not like crack, because that's not good for you. But y'all get the gist. This stuff is amazing, okay? Amazing. You have to go get it today. I'm serious. Get it while it's on the shelves, okay? Because as soon as this gets out, it's over for all of us. So get it now, because you need it, hun. Now it's quarantine. We have these old wigs we can't really get to a beauty supply store. You don't want to order online because you're scared, or you got to save them coins right now. So restore your old wig. Go get that conditioner for $3. It's going to change your life. You're welcome. Baddie. I'm telling y'all, just those two things that I use. Even you can use whatever shampoo you want, but that conditioner is a staple. I'm telling you, it will have you flowing back. I mean, you seen it earlier. Now look at the results. Look at the results. The hair speaks for itself, honey. No. The hair really does speak for itself, though. I'm telling you, the Tresemme is so much of a staple. I'm serious. If you don't have it in your routine for washing your wigs, you got to get it tomorrow. Because I know it's quarantine, so most of the stores are closed now by the time you're seeing this video. But when you do see this video and the stores are open, go to Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Target, any store that sells Tresemme nearby. You have to get this conditioner. I'm telling you, it will have a ragdoll wig looking like virgin bundles. I'm lying to you not. Bombshellni stands by Tresemme, and no, this is not sponsored. Get it. You have to get it. I'm telling you. So I installed it off of camera, but comment below if you want me to do how I install my lace wigs on camera. I can record it for y'all if y'all would like to see it. But yeah, this is the finished result. I'm really happy with it. I love it. I always love it with Tresemme anyway, so you don't have to worry about that. But I want to thank y'all again for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and share if you feeling thrifty. That's fine too. But I love y'all. Thank you for being a part of the gang. Again, if you didn't subscribe, make sure you subscribe right now. Come on now. You watched to the end or skipped through whatever you did, you stayed. So just subscribe. All right? So I'll see y'all back with another bomb video on Friday. Peace.